I don't care what nobody wants. I don't care who want to like me or who don't want to deal with me. Because at the end of the day, them things, anytime me dead, me not answer. None of them can pass judgment against my soul and my conscience clear. So these weren't GLP aligned thugs. These were political soldiers operated in PMP, criminal organization zones, acting on orders that were whispered from above, shielded by those who wore suits and claimed to be revolutionaries. So the smoking gun, Manley removed Marley's police protection. So, all right. So all of the people them in a Bob Marley family, him children them, if you don't have sense now, the one named Ziggy Marley, because I think I'm old, a little bit older than Ziggy Marley, you know. If Ziggy Marley have sense, you know, he may not understand now. All right, 2 police are their bodyguard, your father, and the day them take away bodyguard them, the only person have the powers to remove the bodyguard them, the police them are bodyguard your father, was the Prime Minister of Jamaica. So on God's earth, you're going to say a labor right shoot your father. Does that make sense? Your father did the months after them said them are kill your father. And him say him now left Jamaica, because him a Jamaican. But him no know say, you know, when he come out to PMP now no loyalty to nobody. I just see party. Them see him as an obstacle. And they thought that Bob Marley was going to endorse Edward Seaga. If him said that, Seaga run away the 76 election. Although Michael Manley lose the election, you know, I think them thief it. The state of emergency, and that's why we come on an embargo.